Hi everyone. We are going to discuss first chapter of BFM, that is International Banking. In that we will discuss foreign exchange. So foreign exchange means, so it includes currency, deposits, credits and balances payable in foreign currency. So exchange means usually it will happen. So while if we do trading kind of thing in markets, that is called as exchange. So it also includes drafts, TCs, LCs, letter of credits, and bill of exchange payable in foreign currency. So it also includes bill of exchanges and letter of credits and drafts. So all claims payable abroad is foreign exchange. So usually let us suppose you went to Malaysia for studying MBA. So then you need foreign exchange. So you first, while you have to go to Malaysia, you have to buy that Malaysian currency by selling our Indian rupees. So this you can do over the counter designated branches of bank. Now, in other hand, foreign currency is narrow term which includes hard currency, say pounds and dollars and etc. So it includes the hard currency. Hard currency means so physical currency, pounds or dollars or etc. Now, next one, Forex market. So what do you mean by Forex market? Forex market. So Forex market comprises of individuals and entities, including banks across the globe worldwide without geographical boundaries. So what is market? So market means it includes all over the world. So Forex market is dynamic. So dynamic means it's not statistic. So it will change every time. Dynamic means it will change in each moment. And it operates around the clock. So exchange rate of major currencies change after about every 4 seconds. So he may ask, so exchange rate will change after how much time? So he may ask 4 seconds or some 6 or some 8 or 10 seconds. So here it is 4 seconds. So in Forex market, so our currencies will change dynamically. So what do you mean by dynamically? It will change instantaneously, not statistic, not statistic. It is not in static nature. So here it will change every 4 seconds. No. So then what is the working hours? It is Monday to Friday. So remember, every 4 seconds, every 4 seconds, and then Monday to Friday. And then global Forex market handles turnover of approximately 5,100 billion USD per day, out of which 2% relates to trading and remaining relates to investments. So okay, this no need to focus more. And next important one is exchange rate mechanism. Exchange rate mechanism. So here basically these 4 terminals are very, very important. So first one is TBOD, means today. TBOD means is short form of today. Today rate or cash rate. So on the same day, if it happen on the same day. If it happens in the same day, then it is called as TOD rate or cash rate. Next one, term rate. Term means it is nothing but tomorrow. That means next working day. So he will give some date and he will ask the transaction happened after suppose we came for Friday and the transaction will happen on Monday. Then it will come under which one? So term rate or spot rate he will ask. So we have to see if it is a 1 day gap, what it is. If it is 2 days gap, then it will falls under which rate we have to check. So in examples, we will discuss the same thing. So here the first one is TOD rate or cash rate, that is same day. Next one, term rate, that means tomorrow, that is next working day. Next one, spot rate, spot S for spot rate, S for second working day, S for second working day. Next one, forward rate. Forward rate means more than 2 days or after few days. So if it is not comes under till spot rate, after spot rate it will come forward rates. If it is more than second working day, then it will come under forward rate. So we'll see the examples here. If next day or second day is holiday in either of the two countries, the settlement will take place on next day. For example, spot daily is on 23rd, 25th is Christmas, 26th is Sunday. Under this, after those holidays, it will happen. So there are two types of this one rates. Those are fixed and floating. As in we know in banking, we have a fixed interest rates and floating interest rates. So if we take home loan is a floating rate of interest. Similarly, here also we have a two types of rates. One is fixed rate, other one is floating rate. So floating rates are determined by the market forces of demand and supply. Demand and supply. India switched to which kind of rates? India switched to floating exchange rates in 1993. So card rates are calculated at the beginning of each day based on the current market rates. Next one, very, very important, that is factors determining foreign exchange. So what are the factors determines this or affects the foreign exchange rates? That is, first one is balance of payments. Next one is GDP rates. Then fiscal and monetary policy, and then interest rates, and then obviously political issues. So how these will affect me, we will see. So remember, balance of payment, if it is more, it will lead to stronger home currency. So stronger home currency. Otherwise, if it is GDP rate increases, then it will lead to weaker home currency. If it is lower taxes, it will lead to high growth. Next one, interest rates. High interest rates attracts overseas capital, and then local currency will appreciate. Appreciate means it will become more strong. So political issues will lead. Political issues means if it is a politically stable, if the country is politically stable, then it will lead to economic growth. This we know. Next one, buy and sell. Buy and sell maximum. So here, buying rate is called as, buy rate is called as bid rate. In similar fashion, sell rate means it is offer rate. So sell rate means it is offer rate. So if it is buy rate means if it is buy rate means it is bid rate. So remember, bid rate and offer rate. Bid means B for bid, B for buying. Offer means it is selling. So these two words important in this foreign exchange. Now we will then go for the next one, that is direct and indirect trades. So the name itself indicates direct and indirect. So what do you mean by direct currency? So if the left side currency is foreign currency, then it is called as direct currency. Remember, it is very important. So one USD. USD is a foreign currency. If foreign currency is left side, then it is called as direct rate. So always remember, if you want to express our Indian currency in terms of foreign currency, so then it is called as direct rate. So I want to know 1 USD means how many rupees? Now it is something like 79 rupees. So if we write like this, then it is called as direct. Let us suppose one Malaysian thing, Malaysian currency. Then it is like 0.8 Indian rupees, let us suppose. So if we are writing the foreign currency in the left side to know our Indian rupees on the right side, then it is called as direct rate. Similarly, we can guess what is indirect rate. So what is indirect rate? If our currency is in left side, then it is called as indirect rate. So our currency is left side. So that means that we are fixing our currency. If we are fixing home currency or local currency, if we are fixing local currency, so fixing means writing on left side. So 1 Indian rupee is equal to 0.0193 dollars. Then it is called as, if Indian rupees are like this, then it is called as indirect rate. So repeating, if we are fixing foreign currency, then it is direct. If we are fixing home currency, then it is indirect rate. So don't confuse. Fixing home currency means it is indirect. Home means indirect. Otherwise, it is direct. So fixing foreign currency means direct. And then fixing local currency means it is indirect. Now, next one, forward rate. So simple, the formula for forward rate is spot rate plus or minus margin. So here, instead of that thing, we used terms called premium or discount. So premium or discount. So forward rate means spot rate plus or minus premium or discount. So when we will use this forward rates? So I told you already, we have a table here. So we know TOD rate, term rate, spot rate, and forward rates. Forward rate means after few days. So if we use after few days, then it is called as forward rate. So forward rates. So it is, the formula is spot rate plus or minus premium or discount. We'll see in the example. So the examples for this forward rate is the first one, 1 euro is equal to USD USD 1.3180 hash 3190. Then that means the lesser price is always buying rate, and the next price is, which is higher one, that is called as offer price or selling price. So the buying price is always less and the selling price is always more. So now forward rates may be more than 2 days. So it may be 1 month, or it may be 2 months, or it may be 3M. That means 3M means 3 months. 3 months. 2M and 1M. Now, so here is asking to calculate the 2M bid rate. That is 2 months bid rate. Bid rate means it is 2-month buying rate. 2-month buying rate. So buying rate means what? It is first part. So 1 euro equal to 1 euro equal to USD dollars 1.3180. This is the what price? This is the buying price. He is asking to calculate what is the forward rate after 1 month. Now see the solution here. So the value is, it is 1.3180. So what is the forward? For buying it is 15. So remember, always we have to write on the rightmost side this 15. So add these things, 5, 9, 1, 3. So this is what rate? This is 1 month forward rate. So repeating, here the given question is 1 euro equal to $1.3180. Then what is the forward rate after 1 month? So for 1 month, he is mentioned here. For 1 month, the given differential rate is 15. So always we have to write at the right side of these digits. So adding this, we'll get 1.3195 is the 1 month forward rate. Similarly, if you want to calculate the 3 month selling rate, let us suppose 3 month selling rate means we have to add selling thing to the selling dollars. That means so here So I am calculating for 3 months, let us suppose. Now this is the buying one. Next one, selling, we will see. So this is the buying one. So for selling, we'll see. We'll see for selling. So here, €1 equal to, we have to take this one. Selling, this is the selling price. So this half is called as selling. This is already we know it is buying. So that part is 1.3190. So what is the forward rate for this one? 3-month forward selling rate? 49. So 9 plus 4 is 13. 1 plus 1 is 2, 3. 1.3239. So 1.3239. 1.32. So these two are same. So this is the 3-month offer rate. So offer means we know it is selling. So first, in the first example, what we did? We did this one, bid rate we did. Bid means what? Bid means buy. Offer means sell. So for buying, we have to take this. So for buying, we have to take this part. Okay. And selling is remaining part. And selling is the remaining part. So this is the selling one. Buying and selling. Now next concept. Cross rates. So cross rates is very simple. In our lower classes, we studied about this cross rates. Let us suppose A is equal to 2B, B is equal to C. So we did these things, cross multiplication. So 2B square is equal to AC, B square is equal to AC by 2. This is called as cross, finding cross rates. So we'll see one example here. So he gave 1 USD equal to what? This one. And then other country currencies, 1 GBP is equal to $1.6. Then we have to tell this in terms of GB to Indian rupee. So now we have to tell 1 GBP is how many rupees? Some X, let us suppose. This X we have to calculate. So here he given 1 GB is equal to what? 1 GBP means it is $1.6. This we need in rupees. This we need in Indian rupees. So $1 means how many Indian rupees we have to see. So 1.6 into $1 means, so $1 means it is 48.10. 48.10. So after multiplying this, 48.1 into So we have to multiply 1.6 into 48.1. That will give 76.96. 76.96. So now we calculate 1 GPP equal to 76.96 Indian rupees. So this is how we have to calculate the cross rates. So what he will give? He will give two things. So what are those? He will give USD to Indian rupees and GBP to dollars. So then now we have to convert into GBP to Indian rupees. This is how we have to calculate. Thank you.